Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Apple ID password on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Tap Apple ID in the top right. Select Password and Security from the left sidebar menu. Tap Change Password. You will have to enter your Mac's user password to continue. Enter your new Apple ID password, then enter it again to confirm it. Tap Change and your Apple ID password will be changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.